The tail monadic verb. It's a monadic verb with infinite rank that returns the last item of its argument. But what exactly does this mean? Well, monadic verbs have one argument. That is what makes them monadic. Infinite rank verbs look at the whole of that argument, and tail returns the last item of that argument. We can think of this like it's a two-step process. The first step would be using the take dyadic verb. Now the -1 means we're going to take the last item of the argument y, we're going to make it into a one-item list. But we don't actually want a one-item list, we actually want that last item. So to do that, we take the result and we use the from dyadic verb to grab that first item. So effectively, we're grabbing the first item of a one-item list that is the last item of the argument. May not make a whole lot of sense right now, so let's take a look at some examples. Let's start off with rank 3 arrays, and here we have a shape of 2, 2, 4, and it's comprised of two items, which are 2x4 tables. Tail is going to give us the last item. It's going to do that by making that into a one-item shape. So the shape 2, 2, 4 is going to change to 1, 2, 4. Then we're going to take the first item of 1, 2, 4, and that gives us a 2, 4 shape. Moving on to rank 2 arrays, and these are literal arrays. We have shape 3, 4. We have three items, which are rows. We want the last item, that's what tail's going to give us. It's going to change it into a shape 1, 4. And we're going to take the first item of this shape 1, 4, and it's going to give us a shape 4. Moving on to atoms, they're a little bit different, and that's because they have an empty shape and they have only one item, and that's the atom itself. So if I take that last item, then I'm going to make it into a one-item list, and then from that one-item list I'll take the first item, and that gives me an empty atom as the shape.